What's going on, guys? Tom with Verus Engineering, and today we're going to be going over the install of your gas cap cover for your 718 GT4. All right, so step one is pop the gas cap door and then obviously remove your OEM gas cap. And once you have it in your hand like this, grab your gas cap cover, slide it over the gas cap, and you'll want to grab it like this, squeeze it as hard as you can. You'll hear an audible clicking noise, which basically will tell you that this is snapped on to the gas cap. They should not separate very easily. And once you have that as one unit, go ahead and reinstall it. You're done with the install.